and welcome to Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. My name is Miss Jolie, and today we will be making paper umbrellas. This craft is intended for ages 4 and up, and the supplies you will need today are a piece of paper, a coffee container lid, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a pencil, some crayons, markers, or paint for decorating, a piece of tape, and a pipe cleaner or stick. All right, so to get started, you're going to take your piece of paper and your coffee container lid, and you're going to use your pencil to just very quickly trace that circle. All right, once you have a circle, you're going to get your ruler, and you're just going to slice it like a piece of pizza or a cake. So we're just going to draw several straight lines right across our circle. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do 4 lines. That's going to give me 8 sections. Real quick. And then you're going to take, you can freehand this next part, or you can do it with your coffee lid. You can take the lid and put it the opposite direction, and you're going to just draw little arches from each line to its neighbor on their ends right here. That's just to give it that umbrella shape. Right here, and you're going to do that all the way around, so you should end up with it looking like this. All right, and so you'll notice I've darkened each of those arches I've made between each line, and I've darkened one of the lines here. That's where you're going to cut out this project. So you'll cut all the way around, and then you'll just take one of the lines and cut all the way to the center. All right, so once we have that cut out, we're going to decorate it. So here's mine, and you can see there's my slit. So once you've decorated it, you can use stripes, polka dots, solid colors, it's up to you. You're going to take and you're going to overlap it around to make it however conical or flat you want it. So I'm going to do mine about there. You're just going to put your piece of tape. I already had mine kind of on there. All right, don't tape too close to the center because that is where we're going to put our handle. All right, so now that we've decorated it and taped it into an umbrella shape, you can use a pipe cleaner, or you can use just a simple stick that you can find outside. And you're just going to, right there where the pieces come apart, just kind of gently work the stick or pipe cleaner up through that section. You may have to maneuver it a little bit. All right, and that's going to give you a handle for your umbrella. All right, so if you use a stick, you'll wind up with a nice natural wood handle, or you can do it with a pipe cleaner like the one we saw at the beginning. Give it the hook, put it up through. I think I actually had to cut this pipe cleaner down a little bit so it wouldn't be too long. You can adjust the handle length to whatever you like. All right, well, we certainly hope you guys enjoy making your umbrellas and hope that you will share them online with us using the hashtag #ILoveHPL. And don't forget to follow us on social media at Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And we hope to see you again soon. Bye!